Hello friends, how to solve this type of questions using the multiplication trick. 32 cross 51, 32 divided by 2, 16 and same is 32 we write. 16, 32 is answer. Next question, 36 divided by 2, 18. 36 is same, so we write 18, 36 is answer. Next question, 48 divided by 2, 24. We write same 48. Answer is 24, 4, 8. Next question, 24 divided by 2, 12. 2, 4 we write. 12 to 4 is answer. Next question, 54 divided by 2, 27. We write 54 same. 27, 54 is answer. Next question, 72 divided by 2, 36. 72. 36, 72 is answer. Next question, comment your answer in comment box. Like, share and share.